So today I have my cousin with me.
Hello guys, how you guys doing?
Mukbang type of thing. I have a little bit of sushi, and he has California rolls.
California rolls is the only way to do sushi, guys.
That's all he knows. And I have
that's
my
good.
spicy edamame. Today is Saturday. Oh my god.
But it's really Friday.
Oh my god, I've had such a long day, guys.
Dang, my beard looks crazy in here. I need to shave this off. How you guys doing today? My name is Juan. Follow me on Instagram, paved_in_gold, and subscribe to my channel too. I do podcasts. Who is most likely to have a lot of brothers and sisters? I think that says Juan. Yeah, I think most likely.
Yeah, my cousin.
Okay, so who is most likely to listen to classical music?
Oh.
I think I am. Who is most likely to smoke weed? And we're all gonna say
No.
and we're just gonna stay with Nadia, because everyone who knows her.
I don't smoke weed.
Who is most likely to?
No. Who's most likely to get drunk?
And then we're always gonna say Nadia, because she's already beginning, as you can see. Stella Rose sponsor us so we can be rich. All right, here we go. Who is most likely to live in a big city? I mean, don't we live in a big city already? No?
Not really. I would consider New York a big city.
So who would be most likely? I was gonna say Nadia. You don't want to move to New York?
I want to move. Yeah, I want to move to like a big city, but you know life.
All right. So, who is most likely to go to Justin Bieber concert? Really?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
I love Justin Bieber. I'm a believer.
On the low key, I dig Justin Bieber's music. Not like the new stuff, but like
The old stuff.
yeah. If we threw it back one time, like
He dropped it in the freaking eel sauce. Okay.
All right, guys. Who is most likely to be best in math? And I was gonna go like this.
Yeah, I suck with math.
Who is most likely to be a drama queen? And I didn't even have to finish that one.
Wow.
All right, guys. Who is most likely to marry a celebrity? I think Nadia.
Yeah.
I think her. All right, you read something.
Come on.
Go.
Oh, wrong one. Wait, me? You want me to go now? Who is most likely to hold their breath the longest as possible?
I think I could do that more than you.
No, you can't.
I'm gonna
Let's try right now.
Ready?
Wait, let me finish the rice. I don't want to go.
All right, hold up. There we go.
Exhale. Ready? 1, 2.
Ready? Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that was a fucking fail. Obviously, why you look at me? Who is most likely to do most piercings?
I have 0 piercings on my body. Do I want any? No, I don't.
I have a lot of piercings. Who is most likely to do weird things in public? Wow, that's kind of hard.
Yeah. I was gonna say Nadia.
My cousin's kind of weird. I have proof.
I'm weird, but you're stupid, so.
Oh my
that cancels
god.
out.
Can they,
What?
can they not ask that question? We can't say that.
Censored.
Yeah.
Coming 2020.
Who is most likely to get married first?
No, married.
Oh my god, why would we? Who is most likely to kill someone accidentally? I'm not even want to say that. I'm gonna knock on wood.
No, I'm gonna knock on wood.
Who is most likely to die of something stupid? Oh my god! But I guess you could say.
I think me.
I think me. Oh wow.
No.
Oh my god. Who is most likely to get in a fight?
Yeah.
Knock a bitch real quick. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Who is most likely to fail a simple test? Wow.
And sadly, it's gonna be Nadia.
Yeah. Who is most likely to punch a wall? Why are they so hostile?
I think you would actually punch a wall before I do.
Oh my god. Who is most likely to meet a ghost? Ooh. And no questions.
And I'm stupid. And I'm just gonna hope it's you.
Oh my god, hello. I have to sleep alone tonight. Who is most likely to talk to animals? Wow. I do every single day when I come
Literally
home from work.
every single day.
As soon as I
To
open
Claire.
my eyes. Her name's Cuddles. Cuddles!
Claire.
Come here, mamacita.
Claire.
What's up?
Claire.
She's busy.
Cats don't listen to anything you say, so please
She's
don't
like
buy a
her
cat.
owner. She doesn't listen.
She's the owner.
He's like her owner. Your turn.
I hate cats, by the way.
He loves my cat.
Who is most likely to cry because of a sad movie?
Wow. I'm
She's
hella
a big
emotional.
baby. She's a big baby.
But I'll fucking deck you when I'm crying.
Who is most likely to worry about small things?
Oh, wow. Well, who made this about me? That's all me right there.
Who's most likely to have a computer? Let's skip that. Who's most likely to be a world traveler? I hope and I pray.
My cousin. He has no kids.
Who's most likely to win the lottery? Honestly, sometimes I think you're hella lucky. Yeah, like too damn lucky. Who's most likely to go on a world tour? I'm not gonna say me. World tour coming 2020. Come visit.
But you're just gonna try around the strip. And Henderson.
Who's most likely to become a high school teacher?
Ew.
I think you.
Hell no.
No, I can see you as a kindergarten teacher for some
Oh my
reason.
god, no.
Yeah. Who's most likely to win an Oscar? I'm just gonna say her,
Yeah.
because she's hella dramatic.
You guys, I'm an upcoming star. Wait on it.
Who's most likely to be on a commercial? And I think Nadia too.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to write a bestseller? And I'm gonna say me,
I'm gonna say me.
because I want to write a bestseller one day.
He's gonna write my life story.
Ain't nobody want to read your biography.
But a lot of people are already like worried about my life, so y'all stay tuned, alright?
Who's most likely to become the kindest person in the world?
Me? I'm the sweetest ever. I hate the last part with the little shrimpy tail like that. Like so big. Like how are you supposed to like
I got a big old pimple right here. It hurts though. Who's most likely to appear in a reality show? Miss Drama herself. That's the question for her.
That's stay tuned, guys. Hopefully it's not botched. Oh my god. Let me look at my forehead.
Who's most likely to cry in a public place? Nadia. Nadia is.
I cry a lot.
Who's most likely to live in a zoo? And Shawty looks like a monkey.
What the fuck do you look like? Yeah,
I look like a freaking lion.
Have you seen my mane?
Who's most likely to act in a drama play? Miss Drama herself. Who's most likely to always carry hand sanitizer?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. Because I don't carry anything around. Who's most likely to bully? Nadia. Nadia.
That's me.
Okay, and you didn't bully me before.
Tell them. Tell them the story. He used to be such a crybaby when he
Most
was
likely
little.
to be a good detective, and she lurks on every girl's Instagram. So just know, if you're hiding something,
I already know.
she's been knowing for the past 3 months. Most likely to be a good DJ. I'll be a good DJ.
Obviously, he's not right now. He fucking sucks.
You see what God does when you try to make fun of a son of his? You're gonna die.
You're gonna die. Who's most likely to be a humble millionaire?
Me. I'm on the rise, guys.
Most likely to be a... What the hell's a pompous millionaire? And we're just gonna ignore that. Cricket sounds. And this is what we have to deal with in our family. Anyways, most likely...
This right here. You better not touch your eye afterwards, dude. That's just gonna burn.
20 likes, and I'll eat this.
What the f-
And then you're gonna cut this out. And if you get 20 likes, you're gonna post a video of me eating this.
Come on, pussy ass.
You do it. Damn, that's hella spicy.
Hella spicy.
Damn.
Hella spicy. Hell no.
His ball is gonna burn in the morning and
Ready,
nighttime.
guys?
We went down.
Hell no, I'm not down. I don't even think you're gonna get 20 likes, TBH.
You guys prove him wrong. 20 likes. 20 likes. I will cook one of those chiles in oil. And he's gonna have to eat it. Okay, rub your eye.
Oh,
Rub your eyeball.
damn, that's spicy. And that was just the oil on it. Damn. Where they get the hell?
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please come back.
So, if you guys enjoyed this, please comment, like, subscribe, do your thing, drop some hearts, drop some bombs.
Melons, because I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be filming my breast augmentation little journey. So I hope you guys are ready for that. I'm gonna go ahead and record my pre-op appointment and then go on so forth or whatever.
Me too.
Well, guys.
So, guys,
thank you for tuning in and watching.
Thank you for tuning in, watching the video. If you liked it, please
make sure you give a little thumbs up.
Like.
And I'm gonna be.
And if you didn't like it, thumbs down. But if you enjoyed my handsome face, drop some emojis. Go ahead and drop some hearts. Don't drop melons because that's freaking weird.
Why you always have to kill it for? Oh my god. Alright, we saw, guys.
And that's how I don't kill it.
My cousin's not good with obviously being in front of the camera. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you give it a little thumbs up. Guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video with my cousin. And thank you so much for watching.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. So please bring the towels so we can dry them off. Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Oh my god.
All right, wave and bye. Wave and bye. Wave and bye. You gotta wave and bye, fool.
Why I'm cute. You guys, it's the wine. I said thank you for watching. All right, guys.
Fool, I think they've been gone.
I love you guys, and let's go for this.
Stella Rose, sponsor us.
Rosa, stupid.
Oh. Stella Rosa.
Thanks.
Bye, don't die, guys.